This AI agent continuously reads your personal documents, stitching them together into a personalized, ever-growing Wikipedia of your life. Standard retrieval systems scan a file to answer a single question, but they lack persistent memory. Each new prompt effectively resets the AI's understanding of your data. To build a system that actually remembers, we use a three-part stack: OpenClaw as the automation engine, Obsidian for local data storage, and Google Notebook LM to synthesize that data into high-level insights. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to trigger a full document ingestion and generate a custom audio podcast about your research by sending a text message through Telegram. Compiling and cross-referencing knowledge incrementally ensures that your AI assistant becomes more intelligent over time. Instead of isolated queries, the system maintains a live, evolving map of everything you have taught it. First, create a fresh Obsidian vault. This serves as the local database where your AI will store its structured notes and markdown files. An autonomous agent requires rigid formatting rules to keep this database organized. Without a clear structure, the AI will generate inconsistent, difficult-to-search summaries. Create a root file in your vault named Claude.md and paste in the provided template. This file contains the schema, the specific instructions the AI must follow when organizing your information. At the base of the system architecture, raw sources like PDFs and emails flow into the middle layer of structured markdown files. At the top, the schema file governs how data is parsed, ensuring your personal wiki remains consistently organized. Strictly defining the schema turns a collection of individual summaries into a cross-referenced project dashboard, where every note is linked to relevant entities and concepts. To give the agent control, open the OpenClaw terminal and install the Obsidian CLI skill. This allows the agent to create and modify notes directly on your local machine. Next, the agent needs access to your information sources. You will need to generate a Google Cloud OAuth JSON credential to link OpenClaw with your Gmail account. Pay close attention to this directory path. You must place your JSON credential files specifically into the /Gmail credentials folder. Misplacing this file is the most common reason the connection fails. Be mindful of context limits when you first start. I recommend limiting your initial ingestion to emails from the last 7 days to prevent the model from crashing under too much data. Once the connection is active, open Telegram and command your bot to ingest last week's emails and local PDFs. Linking your local files with Cloud API access creates an active data harvesting engine. The agent now performs the extraction and filing tasks on your behalf, navigating through your messages and documents autonomously. Now that your Obsidian Vault is populated with data, we will bridge it with Google Notebook LM to generate high-level summaries and multimedia content. Install the OpenClaw Browser Relay Chrome extension. This acts as the interface that allows the AI agent to physically see and interact with your web browser. To set this up, go to your Chrome extensions page and switch the Developer Mode toggle to the On position. Then click Load Unpacked and select the extension folder to activate the relay. Keep your Chrome browser window open and active on your desktop. The automation relies on this visible window to execute its commands correctly. Using browser automation enables the agent to operate distinct web applications exactly like a human user. This allows the AI to move data across different platforms to complete complex tasks. We are ready for the final run. Send a Telegram message instructing the agent to use your Obsidian notes to generate a study guide and a podcast regarding project risks. The agent takes physical control. It opens a new tab, navigates to Notebook LM, and begins preparing the workspace. The agent then autonomously identifies the new markdown files in your Obsidian Vault and uploads them directly into the Notebook LM source panel. It types out the request for a study guide in the chat interface and clicks the Generate Audio Overview button to start the podcast creation process. This successful execution demonstrates a complete automation chain. The AI has gathered raw data, formatted it according to your schema, and manipulated a web application to produce a final deliverable without human intervention. When you play back the generated podcast, you will hear the AI discussing the specific details found in your ingested emails and PDFs with surprising accuracy. Your data has been transformed from scattered, chaotic raw files into a perfectly structured and interlinked personal knowledge base. Automating this process allows you to generate high-level reports and multimedia summaries via a simple smartphone command, saving hours of manual research and organization. You can download the Claude.md schema template from the link in the video description. Subscribe to the channel to see more tutorials on building advanced AI workflows. Mastering this multi-tool workflow allows you to orchestrate a fully autonomous personal knowledge engine that grows more valuable every time it processes new information.
Enhance your coding skills with us. Don't forget to subscribe to Code 5 Food for the latest updates and tutorials.